off to go grocery shopping for the week. I'm wearing my flare jeans from Abercrombie. I got the new mini Uggs dupe. They're from Amazon. They were like 50 bucks. I'm not paying 150 for these vibes, but they're the mini ones. And then I'm wearing my suede jacket from Storette and a white tank top from, I have no clue. I think Sabo skirt. That is the Monday grocery shopping fit. Here is everything I got this week from Trader Joe's and Whole Foods. I got some carrots because I'm gonna make a carrot bread or a carrot cake with a cream cheese frosting. Then I got some green onions, some kale, some plain bagels. I really used to like the everything ones, but I had to get these because they were out of the other ones and they slap, so I got them again. I got some more pumpkin puree in case I want to do more pumpkin baking, some apples, cucumber, I want to do juicing. Got some limes, some avocado, some lemons. I got some ramen because they were out, or they didn't have my spicy ramen at Trader Joe's, so I was having a mini panic attack vibes, but I got this from Whole Foods. Picked up some butter, some chickpea pasta, ginger. Then I got this vegetable stir fry from Trader Joe's. I don't think I've ever seen this there, but I thought it would be great with some rice, some tofu. I picked up 2 of my bone broths because I go through this stuff so fast. Then I picked up some orange juice. I've been in an orange juice mood. I don't know. I'm really into the vitamin C. I don't know what it is, but I am. And then I got some tomatoes, restock on my white rice, some bananas, of course, and then some ground beef because this week I'm gonna do ground beef teriyaki meal prep. And then I got some basil. That's just a quick little Trader Joe's and Whole Foods haul for the week. Hi guys, it's 10 o'clock on Monday, did my morning routine, worked out, went grocery shopping, put away the groceries. Now I'm going to do just a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of laundry because I didn't do all of it on Sunday. And then I'm gonna go and do my get clear and get current part of my weekly reset to just see what I have to do for the week, plan everything out, time block in the Google Calendar, plan my to-do list, all of that kind of stuff. Every time I shower, I have to roll brush my bangs, but then the next day they turn into Dwight bangs. So I love that for me. Anyway, my mom's birthday's on Thursday, so I'm not gonna be doing any work or any school on Thursday, so I wanna get ahead and get everything done. I'm trying to dedicate a few hours on Mondays to content planning so that I'm not going into the week kind of like flustered. I put on an audiobook while I was putting away the groceries, and I'm gonna keep listening to it while I go and clean the apartment a bit. I'm currently listening to The Paris Apartment by Lucy Foley. I read her book, The Guest List. It was iffy, but this one was really highly recommended, and I love Paris and thriller mysteries, so we'll keep you updated on my thoughts on it. I'm doing email admin right now, and I have a deal with Decenio that I'm doing in December, and I'm trying to pick out some prints for my apartment because I have this theme where I want it to be like kind of California beachy. I don't know. I need to figure out the sizes that I want and where I would want them because I don't want to just pick random prints and then have random sizes and not really know where it's going to go, because that happened over there and I just have prints that I don't even connect with anymore and they're just there. So I want to get stuff that's going to mesh well together. Hold on, let's go to my bedroom. I feel like for my bed, it would be best to do 2 kind of vertical pieces of art. Does that make sense? Or 1 horizontal. Over here, it kind of feels bare, but I want to get rid of this, obviously, eventually. I've had this TV since like 2015. I kind of want to do a projector and then just make this prettier and then just do a projector so that it's not, I don't like the way TVs look, never. And in my living room, I want to do the frame TV so it looks like art. TVs just don't look good, okay? They don't. Also, I'm thinking a piece of art here, or I think someone suggested this to me a while ago, but to do shelving. I think that would be cute, like an open shelving concept so I can display ceramic stuff up there. And then I'm thinking maybe just a piece of art over here instead of, so shelves over here and then a piece of art over here. I feel like that would look good, especially when I'm filming in my kitchen. This area I'm stumped with because This is where I work out. I kind of don't want to get a dining table. I will eventually, but I'm thinking I'm gonna get rid of my vacuum, or I'm gonna move the robot vacuum, and I want to put a vase with pampas grass in it. Then I don't know what to do over here. Do I put art there? I feel like that clashes. I feel like that very much clashes. If anyone can give me any ideas for this wall, because I will eventually get a dining table and dining chairs. That's cute. Even when I get dining table and chairs, what do I do with this wall? Oh my God, it's just so chaotic and I hate it. But I'm thinking we don't get art for here yet until we figure it out, until we know what to do. And then in here, I probably will hang something up over here. I'm thinking, and then let's go to the office. Please ignore how hideous, Atticus loves to follow me. Okay. Hey girl. I'm thinking above this bench, I do a bunch of art, maybe like a little mini gallery wall, and maybe do like 4 or 5 pieces of art here. That would be a show-stopping statement moment. Oh, please ignore how messy it is. This office really needs to get done. I'm gonna cry. So back to my art. I'm thinking I'll pick 4 or 5 pieces that go together and then kind of pick different sizes. Okay, these aren't in the correct sizes or placement. I had to get just these 3 because these 2 are out of stock. So I'll just buy those when they come in stock to kind of complete this look. And then this for above my bed, give it a little beachy vibe. Lemons to go in my kitchen. So that's the vibe right now. And I will get the ones that are missing when those come back in stock. So it's now 5 o'clock. I have honestly been on this couch all day. Candle lit again. I made some salted caramel hot chocolate from Trader Joe's, and I have Gilmore Girls on in the background while I take some notes on the reading for the week. I did have a brief intermission of lunch, so that is what you missed, but this is just what I've been doing for the past hours, multiple hours. After I do more schoolwork, I'm going to do some editing for tomorrow's video, and then that's pretty much the vibes for today. Again in my spooky mug. I know, I need to get a Christmas mug. I know, I will do that. Instead of doing my workout and the rest of my morning routine, I just jumped straight into editing at 7 this morning, and I finished at 10:30, 11. And then I went ahead and resumed my morning routine. I did a quick 20-minute at-home Pilates workout. Then I took a shower, and now it is time for phase 2 of the day, which is more tea and studying. I know it's really not that interesting, and I was having a little mentee breakdown, thinking about how I need to be doing interesting things, but it's like this day is just full of editing, computer work, and schoolwork. So like, I really don't have time to do anything soups interesting today. I have a therapy appointment today. I'm trying to get back into it because a lot of you guys gave me really good tips on how to make the most of therapy, because I was getting so frustrated with it, not really hitting my goals in therapy, because I want to do more proactive, more strategy, and less like, what are you feeling today? You know? So I'm giving it another go because I really want therapy to work. So I got a new therapist, and it took me forever to get in. You know, love that. For tea, I have Earl Grey this time. This morning I had English breakfast. I'm just not doing great at remembering to vlog things. I did have breakfast, didn't vlog that either, but I'm gonna get back to studying. I thought that was a person. Anyway, just got back from my therapy appointment. I think I'm gonna bake some carrot cake. I have always wanted to bake carrot cake, never did it. I don't know, it sounds like it tastes good, but I'm gonna bake some of that as a little break in between studying. fucked up. Look at how thin she is. So you think I'm skinny. That's exactly what she is, okay? We lost half of the batter, okay? We lost half of the batter. We had to work with what we had. This is embarrassing. This is just a little sheet cake. And also, the recipe said put butter in the frosting. Bitch, that ruined everything because I couldn't wait for it to get soft. So now it's chunky butter in my cream cheese frosting. Vegan cream cheese frosting, by the way, except for the butter. This is embarrassing. I'm gonna go buy the stuff to make this again tomorrow because this is just not, Actually, let's taste it, see what's up. They're Dwighting every time. What? I've had bangs before and they've never done this. What is happening? Is it the rain? I think it's the rain. Oh, this is not my day. If it's terrible, I'm remaking it tomorrow. But I did have a fail-safe. I'm making grilled cheese and tomato soup. I just knew I would need some comfort food, so let's taste this disgusting mess. Whoa, wait a minute. Bitch, I can cook. I've never had carrot cake a day in my life. This is phenomenal. Gonna leave the recipe for the carrot cake down below because it's sensational. The only thing that I didn't do was add Greek yogurt. So this is that exact recipe, just no Greek yogurt. And I didn't use grapeseed oil. I used olive oil. And I used Kite Hill's vegan cream cheese. So those are the only substitutes and differences. But other than that, this is a sensational little dish. I'm treating myself with grilled cheese, okay? It was a reward or it was a condolence. So it is Wednesday morning and I'm doing a little change of scenery, going to study at a coffee shop. I wanted to make Wednesdays my days to go study at coffee shops. I think Wednesday mornings are perfect little middle of the week time to go study at a coffee shop, but I'm just going to one of my go-to places because I know they have a perfect table in the corner with a nice view, good sun. I also look super pale and it's like pissing me off. When I have to go, this is gonna just fall. I know. I, on an impulse, decided to get the new iPhone 14. Trading in this phone, since it is so new, I got so much off of this one, so I was like, you know what, yes. So I got the iPhone 14 in Starlight. Stunning. It is Friday. Didn't vlog yesterday at all because it was my mom's birthday, so I went to go celebrate with her. I did go to Whole Foods and pick up more vegan cream cheese so that I can make the carrot cake again because we are determined to make it good. It was a delicious little carrot cake moment. I just wasted some of the batter because I tried to pour it in parchment paper and that didn't work out well. So we're gonna make it again. We're gonna bake it again. We're gonna have a cute little cream cheese frosting. We're gonna actually have the butter softened. Also over there, I just got my order from Desenio. And if you saw it's the same, we're in the same video, bitch. Monday, I had placed that order, so that was really fast. There's 2 pieces in the gallery wall that I wanted that were out of stock. So I have it notifying me on my email when that comes in. So when that comes in, that's when I'll hang like the gallery wall stuff, but I think we're gonna hang the bedroom wall stuff and the kitchen art today, if I have time. Let's just take a little peek at the art I got before I start doing schoolwork. I also did get a new phone. I also just picked up a random clear case because all the stuff that I'm getting from Casetify to come for this phone obviously is not here yet, and I'm gonna go out tonight because it's Friday night, and there's no way I'm raw dogging it with a bare ass, beautiful new phone. That's just, knowing me, that's not gonna end well, so I had to just pick up a quick little case. But look at how cute it is. I love this phone. If you had the iPhone 13 Pro, what was up with that camera? That was the worst iPhone camera of my life because it was comical how bad that camera was. You would take a photo, it would auto edit the exposure, the saturation. It was terrible. That camera made me want to die a little bit. So this one is much better, not as good as the old ones, but much better in terms of it doesn't auto edit like that. My Instagram is gonna be good. I can't wait to take photos again. I was just not having it with that camera. I didn't even want to take photos in the mirror of my outfits because you have to so heavily edit those photos because they were just edited wrong. It's like iPhone, give me the raw shit. I don't want you to edit anything for me. Just take that shit raw and let me do what I want with it, you know? So I'm so glad I got this because I got to trade in my other one. It was brand new, so this was really cheap and love that for me. Let's go look at my art. Tonight, this set is from White Fox Boutique and then my regular Steve Madden boots. And then I have this leather jacket that I'm just gonna put over my shoulders from Storettes. And I didn't have time because I'm doing dinner first. So I just am letting my hair air dry and I just blow dried the Dwight bangs. We'll see what happens. Normally I do a full blowout on my hair when I go out at night on the weekends, but I just don't have time because I'm meeting friends for dinner first before we go out. So yeah, that's the look. Feel like I don't like it. I've had better. Excuse the mess. I also don't know where my vlogging camera is. I think it's charging, but I'm going on a hot girl walk. I'm wearing my little Adidas from Amazon. They're like 30 bucks, by the way. I'll link them below. My black workout set from Amazon. This jacket is a million years old, so I don't know. And then I just got this crossbody bag from Amazon. It's so easy, simple, and cute. Like, look at her. And then I'm wearing my aloe hat because the look just doesn't feel complete without it. And I'm gonna listen to an audiobook, go on my hot girl walk, and then maybe go to the farmer's market with a friend. But that is today.